Good afternoon and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. My name is Amita Wadhwa. Let's get you the latest update that we are getting across of the raids that had been going on since morning, where the NIA conducting those raids in over 45 different locations in the Kashmir Valley. What we are getting to know through sources that the raids form now has now been over, and over the one of the biggest crackdowns against terror funding and a terror group Jamaat-e-Islami that is taking place across Jammu and Kashmir. The NIA teams have also been sent from New Delhi that have joined the raids, while the local police and the CRPF was providing a security cover. Now we are getting more of those places there, whether be it in Anantnag, in Ganderbal, in other Ramban area as well, where these raids were being conducted. Gursimran, what is the status as of now?
Top officials of the NIA have confirmed to Republic that the number of places that are being raided now is 48. That is, 48 places are presently being raided by National Investigation Agency, and they are across 11 districts of Jammu and Kashmir. The number of districts could go up. It is from Jammu, it's Doda, Kishtwar, Ramban and Rajouri. And coming to Kashmir Valley, from north to south to central Kashmir, all of the districts are being raided, be it Anantnag, Shopian, Kulgam, Baramulla, Bandipora, Srinagar, Budgam, Ganderbal. All of these districts are currently being raided by NIA. Important thing is that these raids are against Jamaat-e-Islami's plan, the conspiracy that was hatched to separate Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh from Union of India and to merge it with Pakistan. So this was the plot of the Pakistan actually against which these raids are being conducted. And more important is some of the government employees are also being raided by the National Investigation Agency. I'm told by sources in NIA that an employee of Jammu and Kashmir government who was in education department, he is presently being raided by NIA as he was part of that conspiracy that was hatched against Union of India. We have seen earlier many employees of Jammu and Kashmir government were dismissed from the service for their alleged involvement in anti-India activities, and now one more such employee is currently being raided by NIA. Apart from this, if we come to the places that are being searched, they are far-flung areas where the teams of NIA have reached from National Capital as well as Jammu team. Total of 50 teams were found by the National Investigation Agency. Top officials from the New Delhi as well as from the Jammu police station, they have reached Valley and they are camping there, monitoring each and every development that has taken place. Multiple detentions have also been done by the National Investigation Agency, though there is no confirmation on any arrest. Yes.
Stay on with us, Gursimran. Let me also go across to Zeenat now. Zeenat, what we are getting to know through sources, that a new case that has now been registered. Can you give us more details as Nagaon and many other places, including Ganderbal, where these raids are currently on?
Where the Jamaat-Islami leaders are being raided. And also the raid is going on in Ganderbal, Baramulla, and also in Srinagar, Anantnag and Shopian. Although Shopian raid is very important because it's a part of South Kashmir, which is also a bastion of Jamaat-Islami leaders, and majority of, if we say, that the conflict that we have seen has come from South Kashmir. Even present, when we talk about the anti-terror operation, majority of the anti-terror operations are launched by the police as well as security forces in South Kashmir. So South Kashmir raids are more important, but yes, last time when NIA raided a week back, and before that there were also raids in July. They have got certain links that there are the wings of this case in Bandipora as well as Central Kashmir. So that is why the raids are being carried. In fact, many papers, incriminated material and other things have been recovered, because NIA is ultimately, if we see in a larger picture, the NIA is investigating the case that started almost in 2017, and after which many Hurriyat leaders and the other people were booked and they are still languishing in jail. So these are the wings of the 2017 case. In fact, last time when JKLF was banned, which was headed by Yasin Malik, the Delhi clearly said they are the outfits, they are terror outfits, and they have been carrying terror strikes against the country. They have been plotting, they are waging war against the country, and there was a sedition charges. So they completely banned JKLF. And then the next move from the government of India was when they completely banned Jamaat-e-Islamia, because Jamaat-e-Islamia is a different ideology. They support a different ideology on ground. They have their schools, they have their trust, and as per the NIA, the money that used to come for the building of schools or for the educational sector, or for that matter, the trust where the widows and other people would be held. So everything would come in the form, or everything would come from the Pakistan and other through Saudi Arabia, Turkey and other places. And just to give it a wide shape, this money used to be come in the chests of the Jamaat-e-Islamiya leaders, the trust or the schools. But that money actually saw that money used to go for terror activities on ground. So NIA has already got links because they have also arrested the not only the terrorists like Hidayatullah Malik, but other people also who have also spilled the grains before the NIA, that how the chain works. So this is the fresh case that the NIA is investigating, and that is why the raids we are seeing since early in the mornings. Although we have seen that the teams for Shopian and Anantnag reached yesterday around 8:30. So in the morning they all started raiding the places of these leaders of Jamaat-e-Islam. So we can say this time the target or NIA is targeting the Jamaat-e-Islamiya leader. The focus is Jamaat-e-Islamiya belt. If you see this school of thought, it is headed even by Said Ali Shah Ginane, who is known as Hurriyat Hawk.
Let me go across back to Gursimran now, because Gursimran, what we are getting to know that the CRPF, the local police, is also providing a lot of security cover, but the links are also now being looked upon as to those individuals who were said to be former terrorists who had alleged terror links as well. So they too are now being investigated.
Yes, Amita, but I have a breaking that we are breaking first on Republic that all 10 districts of Kashmir Valley is presently being raided by the National Investigation Agency. Earlier, there were 6 to 7 districts that were confirmed, but now top sources of NIA have confirmed to Republic that all 10 districts of Kashmir Valley are presently being raided by the teams of NIA that have been sent from National Capital as well as from the Jammu police station. So this is something of a really serious concern that Jamaat-e-Islami activists who were a part of this nefarious plan of Pakistan, they are being raided. All the district heads of the Jamaat-e-Islami are being raided. If we come to Jammu and Kashmir, total of 14 districts are being raided at present by the National Investigation Agency. A senior officer who was part of this operation has confirmed this to Republic that yes, all 10 districts of Kashmir Valley are presently being raided. Apart from this, no arrest has been made till date, though some of the key persons who were part of this group and were suspected to be part of this conspiracy as well have been detained by the National Investigation Agency. Some key documents and digital evidences have also been recovered by the NIA. But yes, the serious and important thing that we have to note here is that all 10 districts of Kashmir Valley, be it South Kashmir, North Kashmir or the Central Kashmir, each and every district of Kashmir Valley is presently being raided by NIA. And this is the biggest of all crackdown in Kashmir Valley by the National Investigation Agency, that how they are investigating the links of Jamaat-e-Islami with United Jihad Council and how they planned against Union of India.
Absolutely. So the scope where the investigation and the raids that are being carried out by the NIA only seems to be widening for now. We're getting to know that over 45 to 48 locations that are currently being raided, 14 districts spread across Jammu and Kashmir where these raids currently are taking place. This is a massive anti-terror crackdown that is taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. Gursimran, Zeenat, thank you very much.